Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget airbrush compressors in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan Air Compressor. Master Airbrush Cool offers multiple airbrush compressor options. And the Runner 2 Dual Fan Air Compressor comes with various accessories and provides a compact package. This airbrush compressor is in the first position in this article as it is very quiet with decent performance. It offers 0.57 psi air pressure adjustment range. You also get a total of 3 airbrushes and 6 primary acrylic paints included with this airbrush compressor. The 1/5 horsepower single piston compressor is more than enough for your airbrush painting needs. It generates a minimum level of heat while running for an extensive period of time, because of both the 2 cooling fans. Furthermore, this product comes with Model G22, Model E91 and Model G25, 3 most successful airbrushes of this company. Even though the motor of this airbrush compressor is decently powerful, it does not get hot at all. This is possible as it has 2 inbuilt cooling fans, which ensure that the compressor does not heat up. And the compressor, as well as the included accessories, offers a decent build quality. Number 2. Our second best pick is the Master Airbrush Multi-Purpose Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush Kit. We have yet another airbrush compressor model of Master Airbrush in this article. And just like the previous one, this is also a multi-purpose kit. This product comes with all the necessary equipment that you need for airbrushing. It is in the second position in this article as you get a great airbrush called Airbrush G22 with it. Airbrush G22 is a high-performance quality product that comes with a 1/3 ounce gravity fluid cup and a 0.3 mm fluid tip. The compressor itself comes with a 1/5 horsepower air compressor with air filtration and regulation system. You also get an easy-to-use carry handle, 6-foot braided air hose, 1/5 single piston. In other words, it is one of the most reliable and durable options out there. The affordable price of this compressor makes it an excellent value for money option. Number 3. Our third best pick is California Air Tools Cat 1P1060S Light and Quiet Portable Air Compressor. Product description: California Air Tools is another great option if you are looking for airbrush compressors on Amazon. And the Cat 1P1060S is one of the largest air compressors in this article. It comes with a large air tank of 1 gallon which allows you to use your airbrush for a long time at once. This product offers a motor 0.6 horsepower that generates a maximum airflow of 1.2 cmf. And this airbrush compressor can generate an air pressure of up to 90 psi on demand air pressure. Alongside, it is noticeably silent, creating noise of only 56 decibels. Even though this airbrush compressor is quite large and powerful, it only weighs 29.5 pounds. And the oil-free pump results in very low maintenance for this airbrush compressor. It is made out of steel for optimum build quality. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is COSSCCI Handheld Airbrush Kit, Portable Mini Air Compressor. Coming to this airbrush compressor, we have a popular option from COSSCCI. And this compressor is quite different from all other options in this article. It is a handheld, portable, and convenient airbrush which comes with a charging cable. This combines the airbrush as well as the compressor unit into one. As a result, it is an excellent option for miniature work like food or ornament airbrush painting. As for power, this airbrush compressor charges over USB and takes 30 to 50 minutes to charge fully. You can charge this device using any USB-capable device like a car, laptop, or even with a phone charger while traveling. Thus, the usability and the lower maintenance hazard of this product make this product a must-have airbrushing device for every type of airbrush artist. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is VivoHome Air Compressor and 3 Airbrush Kit. VivoHome is a popular brand that specializes in developing a wide range of products related to gardening, sports, kitchen, and home lives. The brand works with a mission to help people improve their life qualities. VivoHome's professional airbrushing paint system is a multi-purpose machine with 3 different types of multi-purpose fluid tips. The paint system is equipped with an airbrush holder that can hold 2 airbrushes. And using the 1/5 HP air compressor along with the air filter water trap, the system is capable of delivering 23 to 25 liters per minute airflow and 0.8 cfm air volume. The airbrush compressor comes with multiple features that give you professional results along with providing ease of use. With the 3 different detachable spray guns, you can achieve control and different degrees of spray for diverse applications. To ensure a safe working experience, the paint system is equipped with thermal protection and auto-stop functions. The equipment works quietly with a noise level of just 47 dBs. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.